All right, so guys, I'm showing you my family room. And for those of you who have watched my videos for quite some time will notice right away that my sectional now is configured differently. Before, my sectional was all in one piece and it was facing the TV. So what we've done here is we separated the sectional, and oh my gosh, you guys, like I was thinking to myself, why didn't I do this before? It really makes the room look so much bigger. I really like how the room looks as compared to before. Now, before I thought the room looked nice because the sectional was all together and it faced the television, but it looks so much nicer separated. I just can't believe it. You know, my husband and I, we were just kind of looking like in amazement, like, why didn't we do this before? So, you know, I really like it. I like the way the room turned out. And I only did that one thing. We really only did that one thing, and that was really just to separate the sectional. And you can see how big it is. So if it was all together, you know, like I said, it looked nice being all together facing the TV, but it, you know, now that I'm looking at it this way, before it looked choppy. So now it's, you know, it's open and it just looks so much better. But you know, this video was just to kind of show you that sometimes when you move furniture around, it gives you a nice, refreshed look. And I particularly like this as we're going into the new year. With a new, refreshed look in this room, nice and open. Like a taupe. This sectional is a taupe color. Goes with so many different colors. And I got this sectional from Macy's and it's held up quite well. I've had it for quite some time. And to be honest, I would buy another sectional from Macy's. They have some nice furniture. To me, anyway, they do. I mean, you know, I can just speak on my own experience. This is held up quite nicely. So I just wanted to show this to you guys, restyling or refreshing my family room. So what I'm going to do, you all, is I'm going to include all of the ladies' links in the description box down below. Please click on their links, check their channels out, see what they have put together for styling something in their homes their way. You'll get some great ideas and you'll be happy that you did. They have some awesome content. I am so happy, again, like I said, that you've stopped by my channel. If you like these types of videos, please consider to give me a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down in the comment box below and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the family of friends of Jean Home Decor and more. I would just love to have you join my channel. I like to do home decor. Well, I should say all things home decor. So look, guys, until the next time, bye-bye. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.